Is he supposed to be?
Hey everybody, this is Gabe from Gabe's Green Corner. We are watching the birds on my bird feeder right now. I just filled it. This is the bird feeder that I always have hanging outside my house in my backyard. And so far this week I have filled it 2 or 3 times, so it's pretty exciting to get that much bird activity. I think you just saw one of my birds flying away, and I just like watching the birds. It's exciting and relaxing all in one. What do you guys think? Do you feed birds?
Come here. Shep. Come here, Shep.
I adore you.
Shep. Shep. What? Just trying to get Shep to come over here. And why are you videoing right now?
Oh, I'm trying to keep Mooner out.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, I am videoing right now, showing people the birds.